What's up, guys? Back with another video. I did try to record a video last night, but I noticed once it was fully recorded that spent 35 minutes on it that my microphone was muted, so it just had no sound. So I've definitely made sure that my microphone is on now. so yeah. So today's Black Vault video, we are going to be reading through human cloning. I was like, ooh, hello. I mean, there's so much stuff I've got to get through on here, so I'm probably going to be making at least one video a day. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the notification button. It's come to my attention that my videos are now could possibly be taking up to a day to actually notify anyone who has the notification button on. So yeah, it looks like YouTube is already, you know, well, I mean, I mentioned in the other video they're censoring or like trying to, you know, try to affect my channel's growth and stuff. But that's not going to stop me. I'm still going to make videos. I've got a lot of work to get through. I've got 2.2 million documents to read through. So yeah, and they're all different, all sorts of different subjects. I saw one the other night that was titled "Possible Plant Life Found on Mars," which I thought was pretty sick. I had a little kind of breeze through it and added it to my bookmarks. And also there was another one, biological and chemical weapons. That's going to be very interesting. And then one down here called experimental. So I'm not sure what that is. But yeah, we'll find out soon. As with all my, as with my other Black Vault videos and also the future ones going forward, I'll be linking the source material in the description, so you guys can read through all the actual document links and stuff that are on each page. Pardon me. So yeah, let's get into this. What this has to say about the human cloning stuff. So, human cloning is the creation of a genetically identical copy of a human. It does not refer to monozygotic multiple births, or I think that means like twins and shit, or the reproduction of humans, animals, cells, or tissue. The ethics of cloning is an extremely controversial issue, which, yeah, it's been like that for a while, but looks like they've been doing it anyway. So the term is generally used to refer to artificial human cloning. Human clones in the form of identical twins are commonplace, with their cloning occurring during the natural process of reproduction. There are two commonly discussed types of human cloning: therapeutic cloning and reproductive cloning. Therapeutic cloning involves cloning cells from an adult or use in medicine and transplants, and is an active area of research. Reproductive cloning would involve making cloned humans for couples wanting to have a child but can't naturally. A third type of cloning, called replacement cloning, is a theoretical possibility and would be a combination of therapeutic and reproductive cloning. Replacement cloning would entail the replacement of an extensively damaged, failed, or failing body through cloning, followed by a whole or partial brain transplant, or harvesting the internal organs of the clone. So, report bibliographies: Defense Technical Information Center, DTIC, human cloning. The following bibliographies were generated by the DTIC and contain multiple documents and reports that are available. Many are very scientific in nature and deal with cancer and cloning cells on a microbial level. I've requested a few, but if you want to see the others here on the Black Vault, write to me directly at that email and let me know what you'd like to see. Damn, so there's stuff they can't even put on here. I might actually have to do that. I might make a video, like, emailing John Greenwald. Yeah, that'll be fun. See if I can get any extra juicy stuff. Here's the bibliographies. If you click the link in the description, you'll be able to, come on here and then click those to read through them. 27 pages and 10 pages. See, this is why I can't actually look through every single page, on these videos. Otherwise, they'll be like, I'll probably start doing live streams soon. So when I start doing those, I'll be able to read through extra stuff. But for now, I'm trying to keep it as short as possible. Even just by as short as possible, I mean that'll be about 25-30 minutes most videos. So, documents on human cloning. I almost said clothing. So, documents on human cloning. Cloning human beings, recent scientific and policy developments, August 1999, R&D Corporation, 68 pages. That's another example of, I saw one the other day that was like 350 pages, so I was just like, holy crap. And that's technically one document. There's 2.2 million of these documents on here, and some of them are like 430 pages. Like, it's absolutely crazy, like how much stuff is on here. And these are all declassified government documents, like, as in legit information. So, in response to the news of the cloning of Dolly, I heard about that, the sheep, the first mammal. So from what I remember of that sheep actually had a fused chromosome. So it was 46 and 2 chromosomes, I think, if I remember correctly. I'll probably be able to find some documents on it on here. But yeah, there's some extra stuff in a future video that I'll be talking a bit more into depth about the effects of cloning and stuff like that. The first mammal to be cloned from an adult cell. President Clinton asked the National Bioethics Advisory Commission (NBAC) to report to him on the legal and ethical issues that cloning raises in regard to its potential use in human beings. On June 9, 1997, NBAC delivered its recommendations to the President. In their recommendations, NBAC agreed that the creation of a child by somatic cell nuclear transfer is scientifically and ethically objectionable at this time. And then we've got these two extra cloning of the human brain. Damn. So they said, and the human cardiac. And I don't know what the extra stuff is, but yeah, that'll be interesting when you guys would click on the link and have a read through. Also, comment down below if you find anything extra that's interesting in these. If you when you get a chance to read them. The global technology revolution, bio-nano materials trends and their synergies with information technology by 2015, 87 pages. Report contains a chapter on human cloning. So human cloning CRS report for Congress, 28 pages. In December 2005, an investigation by Seoul National University, South Korea, found that scientists Hwang Woo-suk had fabricated results on deriving patient-matched stem cells from the cloned embryos, a major setback for the field. In May 2005, Hwang had announced a significant advance in creating human embryos using cloning methods, probably for stem cell research, and in isolating human stem cells from cloned embryos. These developments have contributed to the debate in the 109th Congress on the moral and ethical implications of human cloning. Scientists in other labs, including Harvard University and the University of California at San Francisco, intend to produce cloned human embryos in order to derive stem cells for medical research on diabetes, Parkinson's disease, and other diseases. President Bush announced in August 2001 that for the first time, federal funds would be used to support research on human embryonic stem cells, but funding would be limited to existing stem cell lines. Federal funds cannot be used for the cloning of human embryos for any purpose, including stem cell research. In July 2002, the President's Council on Bioethics released its report on human cloning, which unanimously recommended a ban on reproductive cloning, and by a vote of 10 to 7, a 4-year moratorium on cloning for medical research on medical research purposes. So they just basically renamed it to make it legal. The ethical issues surrounding reproductive cloning, in brackets, commodification, safety, identity, and therapeutic cloning embryos, moral status, relief of suffering, impact various proposals for regulation, restrictions, bans, and uses of federal funding. In January 2002, the National Academies released scientific and medical aspects of human reproductive cloning. It recommended that the US ban human reproductive cloning aimed at creating a child. So, it suggested the ban be enforced and carry substantial penalties. Okay, so there you go. That's the front page of all these articles, all these documents that are linked here and there. Well, these ones. So yeah, I mean, if you guys like this video, check it, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be placing, linking this source in the description. So it might be, if you're on your phone watching a video, it doesn't normally show you the description. So yeah, anyway, it'll be there, and I've got a lot more work to do. So yeah, I'll catch you all in the next video.